The first V-Code CUDA convertible produced, serial number 4.
So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean.
All right, folks. So let's see.
8 million to
The Ford. The 1959 Porsche 718 RSK center seat, one of 8. So this is actually the real one. I believe there's another one down at the Rev Museum in Naples that we've had on the channel. So 3.25 to 3.5. All right, guys, this is a replica of the 65. So, and nowadays, unless you have a 8-figure bank account, a replica is what you're going to have. So it's a really nice replica of the 65 Cobra. Let's see over here. 911S Porsche. Very sweet. Nice Ferrari. So 71 Ferrari 365 GTS Daytona Spider. Is this 69? Yeah, 69 L88 convertible. 427 L88 convertible. 6,464 miles. One of only 116. Bloomington Gold. And this is a 64, 67 L89 coupe, one of only 16 produced, Bloomington Gold. 6-pack on the top, the hood, 427 or trips, whatever you want to call it, 6-pack or trips, either way. On the 427, 67 Corvette L88. One of only 20 produced. Dontel mark of excellence, triple crown or triple diamond certified. Beautiful cars. Beautiful, beautiful cars. Another 427 C3. Yeah, 68 Chevy Corvette L89, one of 624 produced. Unrestored, 13,000 miles. Super pretty. And 63 split window. So, little known fact to you who haven't watched the channel that much, that there's more 63 split windows on the road than there was ever created, because everybody took the 64s and put the 63 windows in the back with the spine to make them seem to be worth more. Which is odd, because back in 64, people cut the spine out of a 63 because you couldn't see out the back of a 63. So there you go. History is kind of repeating itself in an upside down way. 67 Chevy Corvette convertible 427. So now, on a lot of Corvettes, you'll see the shielding over the sparkulator there. Why is there shielding over that? Well, because it's a fiberglass car, it prevents interference to the radio. That's what it does. All right, so we've got a nice 1970 Cuda, convertible ragtop, 440, 6-pack. And a Challenger, RT Challenger. Let's see, 70 Dodge Challenger RT convertible pilot car, number 21, one of 61 V-code convertibles. It was the pilot car used by the automotive press. So this is worth about $400,000 to $450,000, folks. There you go. So I don't think you'll be putting luggage on it if you're driving it. So that was the pilot car for the Challenger. And then this is the first V-code Cuda convertible produced, serial number 4. This is the 70 Plymouth Cuda convertible pilot car. This is worth $450,000 to $500,000. This guy right here. Pretty nice. All right. 1970 Chevy Yenko Deuce Nova, 1 of 7 in sunflower yellow. One of 175 Yenko Deuce Novas for $70,000. We've featured about 3 so far on the channel, real ones. 350 LT1 engine, 360 horses, 4-speed transmission, 410 posi traction, Copo, and 9737 F41 suspension, listed in the Yenko registry. A real Yenko Deuce. And once Don Yenko died in a car crash, then these things really got crazy because he couldn't sign them anymore. And yes, they all came with that Yenko Deuce plate in the door, or at least everyone that I've ever seen. So, real Yenko. There you go. Next, we got us a boat tail. 35 Autobahn 851 SC boat tail speedster. Again, if you want, nope. I swear those guys with the drums are following us. Every time you hear these drums, there's a group of guys running around with drums. Okay, so boat tail again. Here's your boat tail right here. Autobahns, beautiful cars. Very fast cars for their time period. But I would take it. All right, what do we got over here? We've got a Cadillac. What year is this? 1929 Cadillac. 1929 Cadillac. Beautiful car. That thing is as big as an SUV. That thing's bigger than a pickup truck right now. All right, we've got, I think that's a 2-door wagon. Is this a 2-door wagon or a Nomad? Let's take a look real quick. 2-door wagon or with an LS3. 1986 Chevy Nomad custom wagon. So I'm not, is it a wagon? Is it a Nomad? They're totally different. All right, here's an F4 or GT, I'm sorry, Ford GT. Red Ford GT. ...2017 Ford GT, 697 miles. It's kind of funny to say it's a plain Ford GT, but there's so many out there now that are special this, special that, special edition this and that you don't even know. You see a red Ford GT and you go, hey, it's just a Ford GT. But it is what it is anymore. All right, look at this Roadrunner with poverty cap wheels on this. Air grabber. 69 Plymouth Hemi Roadrunner Coupe, one of 162 produced with the 426 Hemi. There you go. There's the big giant Hemi heads. If you don't know why they call it a Hemi, and you're watching this for the first time, a Hemi, it's the hemispheric heads, and they have the giant valve covers. Tells you there's hemispheric heads on there. All right, nice Ford GT. 2006 Ford GT. What can I do to put you guys in this car today? What can I do to put you guys in this car today?
We're thinking about it.
It's not my car, but I get a commission if I sell it. Or I don't really, but probably. Just messing with y'all. Anyway, let's go up here and check out this 70 Mustang. Just freaked those guys out. All right. 1970 Ford Mach 1 Twister Special Fastback. It's got a 428 Super Cobra Jet, 4-speed drag pack. One of only 24 Twister Specials with the 428. That must be the Twister Special. I don't know what that means, but there we go. Twister Special. So the Twister Special, put down in the comments what the Twister Special was other than a sticker. By the way, no reserve on that car. Hey guys, we're still at the Mecum auction in Kissimmee, Florida. It is January 2025. First day I've been out in a while because of the hole in my foot, but I'm making it around. We bid on some stuff, and let's take a look and see what is still available. Nice GT350. No reserve on this. Got the Shelby tag. 1966 Shelby GT350 Fastback. Number 6. Wait. Let's see. Number 6S1720. It's got a 289. There you go. Another GT350 right here. '66 Shelby GT350, number 6S634, 289. Shelby GT500. Another Shelby GT500. That's a KR, King of the Road. 1968 Shelby GT500, King of the Road convertible. Shelby number 04041, 428 Cobra Jet, 4-speed. One of only 518 produced. $518 produced of this Shelby. And we've got us a Ferrari 1988 Ferrari Testarossa with only 1,045 miles on it. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.